Somewhere on the urban-ready plain, left by its lonesome on the open road, far from its indoor habitat, a dryer sits there quietly. The scrap catcher slowly and steadily approaches his prey.
Looks like we got ourselves a dryer here. What in the world?
Exhausted and wakened by the hours the owner tried to put into her, she just gave up the ghost. Opportunities like these are abundant on the urban plain. Of course, the scrap catcher takes advantage of these tasty little morsels. Nothing goes to waste.
But I think that's just plastic.